Okay, next I want to show you the AND logical function. The AND logical function is going to be very similar to if, whereas over here in column L on our fees paid, we told the spreadsheet, we told our data if certain criteria is being met, we wanted the output message to say paid in full. And if the criteria was not being met, we wanted it to say balance due. So the AND statement is similar to that in that it's looking at certain criteria. However, it's only going to give you a true or a false output. You can't tell it anything else to say. And just like with the word and, that means that all criteria has to be met in order to get the true output. So we're going to come over here to column M, and I'm just going to show you this feature. It's just another way to collect data for some of you. You may find this is going to be something that works more for what you're looking for. So I want to find out if the student account is current. So I'm going to click over here in this cell. And I'm still going to be looking at the money. I want to look at the class fees and the field trip to see have they paid exactly what they're supposed to pay. So click in the cell and then hit equal, type in and then parentheses. And tells us what the function is, and then parentheses goes into finding out what all is logical. So our first logical check is going to be have they paid $20 in cash or check. So I'm going to click in that cell. So it says B3. So the first thing I want to know, my logical check, B3, does it equal 20? And then I'm going to put my comma. And as soon as I put my comma, it's going to go to my next logical check. My next logical check I want to look at is the field trip money. So you'll click over here in the column D, click in that cell. D3, I want it to equal 750, so 7.50. And that's the only two places that I really want to look for my and. Now, if I put a comma, it's going to let me do something else. You can add as many features as you want or criteria as you want to the and statement. So for this purpose right now, we only have two things. So I have finished what my two logical checks are going to be. I'm going to close it out with my parentheses, and now my function is ready to go. So when I hit return, it's going to give me a true output. Yes, column B has 20, and yes, column D has 750. So I'm going to copy this all the way down, and you'll see that for anywhere that there's a balance due on the if statement, on the and statement, it's telling us false. That means that both of these are not true. So that is the and statement.